So I've had this about 8 months. It's a good gun. I mean, everything works. But the only problem that I have right now is this. I've had it for 8 months. I haven't even had it for a year yet. And you see this? It's wobbling. You see that? And I don't know what it is. I've taken a screwdriver and I've, tried tightening things up. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to do maintenance to it, but it's wobbling, and I do not like that. I would like a replacement because I really like how this gun works. I've made videos on this on my YouTube channel, which is Raid 1, and I've done videos on how to field strip it. And it'd be really helpful if I could get a new one of these or know how to maintain it, because there aren't any videos telling how to fix that. Thank you.
My problem is with this, it's like, okay, cock the hammer back, right, switch the gun around, put it on full auto, right, push this button here, and now it's in full auto. It should fire all at once, right? One shot. But when I push this and hold it, what am I doing wrong?
Quick review, this is the DPMS SBR BB gun. Unfortunately, I just received this and I noticed that the piece of plastic here is broken. So I'm guessing something happened during shipment or something. So this is going back to Amazon. I'm not going to super glue this back on because I expected a new gun, not a broken one. Well, that's it. Hopefully the next one will be in better shape.
Ready? Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, I just got a DPMS short-barreled rifle, AR-15, fully automatic.
Shoot it and don't smile.
If these stops are any good. Yeah.
Stop it.
Yep.
Fantastic. Great quality, works good. The double is a must. You can find it on eBay.